Hi guys! So yan, dumating na po yung aking GCash card. So for today's video, ayan, i-share ko naman sa inyo kung paano nga ba i-activate ang ating account or i-link to sa ating GCash wallet. Okay? So without further ado, start na po natin tong tutorial. Okay? So open lang po natin ang ating GCash app. Okay? Then click lang natin po itong view all services. Okay, then scroll down nyo lang yan guys. So, dito sa may bandang baba, makikita nyo guys yung cards. Then, click lang po natin yan. So, wait lang po natin yung mag-loading. Then, lalabas po ito. Okay? So, scroll down lang natin ito guys. Okay, then click po natin yung link my card. So, after nyan, may pin po tayong marireceive. Then, ito po yung i-enter po natin dito. Okay? So, enter lang po natin ang 6-digit pin na na-receive natin. Then, click po ang submit. Okay? Then, dito guys, ayan, need lang po natin i-enter ang ating card information. Okay? So, check nyo guys yung card nyo and i-enter nyo po yung last 4 digits of card. Okay? Then, dito naman yung virtual account number nyo or yung 12-digit code po na nakalagay dyan sa GCash card. Then, after nyan, click na po natin yung next. Okay, so processing na yan guys. Then dito guys, kailangan lang po natin mag-nominate ng ating 6-digit card pin. Okay? So safety na pin po na ilagay po natin is wag po yung ating birthday. Kasi ayan, madali lang pong mahulaan po ng mga ibang may masasamang loob na gustong gamitin po yung card nyo. So special numbers po na 6-digit na po yung gamitin po natin. Okay? So kung tapos kayo maglagay na inyong pin code, ayan, click nyo na yung next. Then yan guys ang lalabas. GCash card link. Then, congratulations! You can now use your GCash card in all stores and ATM machines worldwide. Okay? Then, after yan guys, yan, click nyo na lang okay and that's it. Nalink na po ang inyong card dito sa GCash app. So, pwede nyo na po yung itry in any ATM machines worldwide para makapag-withdraw ng inyong cash. Okay? So yun lang guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope nakatulong po sa inyo and please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and bye-bye!